Hey developers, 6 big companies hiring for the internship for the different roles. So start with the first company. Baker Hughes is hiring for the summer internship for the 2026 batch, and the internship location is Mumbai. And talking about the other skills and qualifications, be currently enrolled in bachelor or master level degree in engineering or technology, mechanics or other STEM related or business related program. This is the main basic requirement, and other like be able to relocate for the duration of your internship. And here is the key responsibilities of the internship. Receiving coaching and mentoring to enable you to complete assignment and project to develop your learning and skill set. Apply health, safety and environment standard to procedure in all situations to ensure compliance is maintained. So you can read here more. After the successful internship, you will get a job offer also. Now move to the next hiring. This is for the data analyst internship role by the Mentor Hive. 9 days are left for apply, so apply before it. Now move to the more details. They also provide a job offer and the stipend of 25,000 to 30,000 per month. And internship location is work from home and it is a part time of 2 months. Other basic requirements. Anybody can apply who have a graduation degree. And talking about the skills, Python, SQL, Excel, Tableau, Power BI, understanding of statistical concept and methodologies, excellent communication and presentation. These are the basic requirements for this internship. Now the third internship by the Uber for the data science internship role. This internship for the Bangalore location, and the graduate who is going to pass out in 2026 are eligible to apply. And the skills requirement: SQL, Python, Tableau. And talking about the skills, experience in data ETL process and visualization in SQL or Python. Degree elective projects in either mathematics, statistics, CS, economics or other related quantitative fields. Experience with data analysis and visualization tools such as Google Data Studio, Google Sheet, Excel, Python, Tableau. So these are the basic requirements. You can read here. Now move to the fourth hiring by the Foreclose AI for the UI UX designer internship. Talking about the eligibility for the South Delhi location. Talking about the eligibility, open to all educational background including fresher from all courses. Means this year pass out. Open to all educational background including freshers from all courses. These are the paths like certificate of completion, letter of recommendation, transport, food and beverage, flexible hours and hybrid work. Means it is a hybrid internship of 3 months and the stipend is 8 to 12,000 per month. Here is the contact details of the organization. You can also contact them and apply from here. Talking about the skills, proficiency in UI UX design tools such as Figma, experience with design software like Adobe Photoshop and Illustrator, familiarity with After Effects for creating animation and motion graphics, strong understanding of design principles including typography, color theory and layout, ability to wireframe prototypes and user flow. These are the core skills requirement for this internship. Now the fifth one, Black Box is hiring for the AI intern role and the job location is Pan India. So start with the skills, technical skills like proficiency in Python, Azure knowledge, data engineering knowledge, backend development in Flask or Django, means for Python frameworks, testing and QA knowledge, and other skills like soft skills, self-starter, communication, adaptability, and problem-solving mindset. Preferred skills: experience with RAG, retrieval augmented generation techniques, prompt engineering, predictive modeling, front-end development in Python, React, in TypeScript, React, Angular or Vue. Cloud knowledge: AWS, Azure, GCP, but here is preferable Azure. Advanced AI concept, document and compliance. So apply now. And here is the key responsibilities: end-to-end AI solution development, handover and knowledge transfer, and QA. Now the last one, by the ground, and the last one, by the ground truth for the AI fellowship or internship. Location is remote with hybrid touch points if needed. Stipend is 55,000 per month, and duration is 5 to 6 months full-time commitment, but it can be extendable up to 12 months in few cases. And who can apply? Those who have built prototype side projects or hackathon solution using AI tools, experimented with ChatGPT, Copilot, LangChain, Hugging Face, or Python ML libraries. If you have knowledge in these skills, you can apply. As you can see that these are the basic requirements for this internship. So apply now. Let's end this video. All internship apply links below in the description, and hit a like button, do comment, and subscribe Skillr for more job updates.